Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I hope all is well with you. I am here this hour just to share something very, very important with us. In the past, we have seen videos of Udele bragging on how he can buy people and Bepoya facing. You remember the video, the famous video of him talking about Ebukobi and so many other people in the past. That video should let you know who you are dealing with. This guy bragged in one of his recent video that he is willing to buy children in Igbo land and body will be littered everywhere, or for everywhere, even children and women that you don't care. He has said all manner of things. His recent one of his recent video again, he talked about Ojuku, would buy Ojuku. He bragged not one, not two, not three, more than 4 times now that he's going to buy Nnamdi Kanu. I don't want to start lamenting about him in this particular video, but I just want you to understand how deceptive this guy can be. But the good news is that not only me, I'm not only one noticing the thousands and millions of Biafrans already know this, and that does not mean that people are demanding for his head. But I can't stop anybody that do so though. But the only thing is this: we are not interested in rumor. We just want to focus on what is playing out. When I say we, I'm talking about people from Igbo tribe. We know the insecurity that our people are facing. I don't support any crime, any kidnapping, any killing of any type. I'm not here to promote killing of anybody. No, that's not what I'm saying. I am against buying of anybody. Because one thing I believe in life is that we are not the owner of lives. My life is not even in my hands. It's in the hands of the Almighty God who created me. And so your life as well. This guy have mentioned what he can do. He mentioned how they acquire people. And it's the latest video of him. He was telling Yambaba that somebody contracted him to buy Shore. Like I said, if you are not somebody that is known for buying people, how can somebody call you to come and buy somebody? If you want to look for a carpenter, you don't search for the address of a doctor because you want to contact a carpenter. If you need an engineer, you look for engineer based on the field of your work. If you want road construction, if you want maybe people that can robotic engineers or petrochemical engineers, name it. You look for the field that you want. The same thing applicable to those who are hired assassin and all manner of crime, all manner of criminality and all what have you. This man, after bragging on what somebody contracted him to do, and what he said in the past about the Bukobi and how he acquired people and believe the same guy will film himself again, showing you human body, that this is what they found in somebody and so camp and all that. And you can you be sure that he's not the one that is responsible for these bones that they normally show you. Now listen, the video you're about to watch is him filming, and he was addressing that to Ikenga, who somehow felt comfortable with DOS that reject Mazi Kanu and attacking Mazi Kanu. Those who are so loyal to politicians, people like Chike Dozemu, Abaim, Azayoba, name them, including Chinasa War, of course. So he said something about it, addressing to Ikenga, who is their friend and their padi and all that. But this Udele, because the problem Udele have is spread across the board. It's not about forming one kaba, no. But Ikenga, his own is he's okay with some people. Some people will hold Biafra flag is okay. Some will hold it is a problem. Some people will gather for Biafra movement is okay. Or some will gather for Biafra movement is a problem. That is the ideology of Ikenga. That is, some people prefer to call him Nwayogri. But if you know, depending on what you call him, though, I'm not here to tell you what to call him. Now, I want you to pay close attention to the video itself. So let's go through it because I told you I'm not going to waste much time listening to it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. I expect you to do better than that. Let's hear from Udele. Udele, have the mic.
Within the IPOBTOS that is fooling the other. Whatever one is doing, the other knows it.
Now, this is him trying to paint everybody, whether you are 4 deep, 4 outside, whatever group you belong to, as long as you're an IPOB, you are an enemy. That is something of what he just said, and pay close attention again to that.
There is absolutely nobody within the IPOBTOS that is fooling the other. Whatever one is doing, the other knows it. You know, when I was watching Ikenga's exposition, the good exposition overall, but he's now trying to kind of absorb Chinasa of blame, these idiots now. He's not trying to absorb him of blame and keeping it on Ukefori. No, there is no way Ukefori will be doing anything in the name of Chinasa, and those boys will not know it because all of them are in contact with each other. They are in communication with each other. Now, Ukefori and the Jiman Jaba, they are from the same government area. Ukefori does not need to use the influence of Chinasa to send the Jima any message. Are you understanding me now? There is no reason. When you see people like Ukefori, there is this idiot from my side, they call Kennedy. People like Kennedy, what Ukefori and Co are doing in Omaka is exactly what these people wanted to bring into Amanduba, but people like me don't agree. Not the people, person like me don't agree. I saw them from inception. Now, what are they doing? They will, they are cowards. These are people that are cowards. They are into 419. Now, 419, they don't jump inside this one. As far as they are concerned, this Biafra is another 419 format. They are not even seeing it that they are ruling the society. They will tell you after all the politicians when they spoil out, what will happen to them. Are you understanding how these people see themselves and how they see the evil they are perpetrating in our need? So, as far as they are concerned, they want to, people will always want to justify what they are doing with the evil of other people. Let's agree.
Before he continues, I just want to establish something quickly. He said that the DOS people see the Biafra movement as another 419 activity. I agree 100%. 100% that is what I see it. I love the fact that he said DOS. That's exactly how they see it. If you have a question, ask. But I'm telling you, that is exactly how they see it. They don't see it as a movement of freedom or no. So for the betterment of people, no. They actually know what they want and they're working towards it full time. Listen.
As far as they are concerned, they want to, people will always want to justify what they are doing with the evil of other people. Let's agree. Our politicians are bad. Now, you are trying to do bad. How are you going to solve the problem of the society? How are you helping? So they just want any reason. They just want to.
Now, a man that is being contacted for assassination is asking you is interested in what you will do to make a society good. And you are assassin. Because for somebody to contact you to ask you, giving you this offer, the person have already know that you are good in this job. You know what I mean? Can you hire somebody that is not an engineer to build a skyscraper for you, or to build, let's say, even a normal house like 2-bedroom flats? It's not possible. You have to look for someone because you don't want to waste your money, do you? You don't want to waste your money. You want somebody that once you give them money, the person will build it perfectly. Somebody that you know that is in this line of business. That's exactly the person that you would like to hire to do the job for you. But hear him.
Justification for the evil they brought. And these cowards are people who never carry gun for one day.
He is now mocking them. They don't know how to buy trigger. Meaning that I am expert in this, and you guys don't even know. We are not at the same level. You guys are coward. All you could do is just to 419 other people. Just to 419 other people. Now listen.
Fighting of them having gone abroad. Once you are living abroad and you start mingling with certain people, having access to guns will not be difficult. And You know how some of all these people back home in Nigeria see people that are living abroad. Whatever you tell them, they will believe for them. And how can this be done? It's by telling yourself the truth. It's by telling you nothing like covering this person or leaving that person. No, we have no team. It's either team light or team darkness. That's what you will be for. Then if you come inside that team darkness, nothing like defending one part against the other. All of these people did evil. All of them committed atrocities, and all of them must be dealt with. Each and every one of them. And as if we will be debating it with them. Go to the north and join them. Go to the north. Go to the north and join them if you love the way they are being treated over there. Don't bring that into this service. Nobody has a right over a fellow human being. You have no right over the life of another human being. Me like this, I have no right over your life. Start every conversation from there. You have no right over somebody's property.
Now, he said that me like this, I don't have any right over your life, over anybody's life. Really? As if you have not seen your video where you are demanding how you are bragging on how you're going to buy somebody and the piece. Come on. Now, he said again that if you are interested in doing that kind of thing, you go to north. Don't bring it to the east. But he himself is living in the north. Almost all his life now is in the north. So he started coming back home now after Ogenkera and Mama Dabo clear way for him and all that. But that's the story for another day. Am I against him living in East? No, it's not. I don't have any issue with anybody. If you want to live, you live. It's up to you. I am not in support of any criminality. If you are truly chasing criminals, I'm okay. But I find it funny that you will be chasing BLA, Chinasa, Nwaoru, and the US will be clapping for you. Then after clapping for you, now you are turning around and tell us you are actually saying that they are also the same thing with the BLA. The same thing that Chinasa, Nwaoru and their group did when Mazagano was kidnapped. They felt like, okay, our leader has been kidnapped, but they're working on the ground though with people who kidnapped Master American. Then when PM Samonepa was arrested, they thought, hey, it's something good. Yeah, federal government, congratulations. This is what we are talking about. Well done, good job. Your leader is still in the hands of those who are congratulating. The moment you begin to do bad will follow you. The same people that was clapping for PM and pretending, they're not even demanding for the release of Master American though, but they were all pretending that, oh, we actually care. They don't care anything, they don't care. The job is very simple. Do what you can do to make sure that you attack PM and anybody working with him and anybody in line with him, attack them and get them away. But people who want them to attack them are actually looking for you as well. They are looking for you at the same time. You see, the contradictory part of the whole thing is actually laughable. But I love the fact that everybody is now paying attention to what is playing out. That is the best part of it. Udele of all people is telling you what to do and how to go about your activities. Is that like, oh, I don't have right for anybody's life. You don't have right to people's life, really. And who were you telling that you are going to? What do you mean by you are going to Bukumadis? If Bukumadis say nothing will happen according to you, and you will still be out here talking and doing all these things. The issue of Chinasa, Nwaoru, people have said a lot about him, and I'm sorry that I'm gonna play this video again for you to know. One of the people that was arrested some time ago, and the person called Chinasa, Nwaoru's name, we have not seen anybody that the Nigerian government or Nigerian army or security forces arrested, and the person started calling PM Samonepa's name. If you arrange it, we will know. This one is not arranged. Pay attention.
So which of the areas you command? Njaba division.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So how many people have you killed so far? Can you tell us? Like, it's only one boy waiting for 4 quarters. Because I know they follow them go work, and maybe they command them. Only one boy 4 quarters. Waiting for we will see and when they go for road. We hope we'll pursue them. As we pursue them, so we'll shoot and the boy that will collect the gun.
Okay, that's our neck office where they born. You follow them that day?
No, sir, I know they for village for that time.
But you know people where do them now.
Now from all way.
So tell us, who are the people that your friends where do them? Who are they?
Now for temple boys. Temple boys, I know how I take you say temple boys because they live with the temple before. So temple can't settle them, they can't enter our way. So they be the name where they call them now from our way where they take go that operation.
So you know them now?
I don't know them, sir.
Maybe you mentioned their name now, Temple.
Temple, now Temple boys. I know Temple. I know Temple well.
Now that police don't catch you, how you feel about the whole thing?
So I feel bad.
You they regret your actions?
Yes, sir.
So where on the camp? Tell us, where do you guys camp?
Our camp is there for back of that police station for Fata, but how long now? Since 6 or 7 months, we don't have any camp now.
Why? Why not get camp?
Because of Iran. Police they find me.
Okay, that's easy. That the way they kill that time. Your group, your men follow now. How will I kill them?
Yes, now my men will go Holland. The person will shoot the heads and a free man. Free man with the sky and the number 1.
So who they sponsor you?
Now Chinasa Nwaoru. Chinasa Nwaoru.
From where? Where is he from?
In that blood.
Who they sponsor you na Chinasa Nwaoru? Na Chinasa Nwaoru in the abroad. You understand? And say Chinasa Nwaoru is calling some money by Berima. Well, that shall never end. Anyway, please, I'm going to end it here. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you. And of course, share this video and like it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.